Our shower seats are made of bamboo, which, in addition to being a dietary staple for pandas, is also naturally resistant to moisture, mildew, and decay. The super tough aluminum frame has an ADA-compliant structural strength capable of supporting up to 500 pounds and has a neutral, gray powder coat finish that will hold up in a steam shower. The shower seat from Thermosol is available in two styles: a fixed corner install design and a more traditional folding design that, when folded, boasts a narrow 3-inch profile. Both designs are simple to install and come with a 1-year warranty. For more information on our shower seats or any other Thermosol shower accessories, please visit us at thermosol.com/products.